y'all, so Miss Josina is feeling so much better today, thank goodness. She did have one little spurt where she ran a fever for just a little bit of time and I didn't even give her Tylenol and it went away, so woohoo! Now, we gotta get on to this darn oven that I've been avoiding because I hate cleaning ovens, y'all. I don't like it, it's not my thing. Oven cleaner about gags me. Oh my goodness, I can't stand the smell of oven cleaner, and they had no fume-free oven cleaner at the store yesterday, so yuck. Anyways, we're just gonna power through it and we're gonna get it done, and it's gonna look so nice when it's done.
If you wanna see some crazy and also lazy, then you should meet me and my friends. Even though we got no money, we're sure as hell funny. Yeah, everything's better with them. We're just like, ooh, ooh, ooh. We don't worry about tomorrow. We just ooh, ooh, ooh. What we wanna do tonight. Waking up at sundown, the world's our playground, and we don't even have to pretend. Every time we're together, it doesn't get better, and every day's like a weekend. We're just like, ooh, ooh, ooh. We don't worry about tomorrow. We just ooh, ooh, ooh. What we wanna do tonight. So don't tell me how to act or how I should be. All we wanted is to be free. We don't wanna be like you.
Hey y'all, so we gotta get some cookies done for Esmaye's bake sale. You're gonna use these small pans, you don't wanna use the big ones? Okay, so this is all I could find for cookies in town yesterday. So we're gonna do these. Hey, hang on, they can't hear me if you're banging that. They can't hear me over Sissy banging around the cupboard. Oh goodness, I might need scissors to open this. Alright, so hey, settle down. That's not the cookies she's doing now. Oh, like the big silver things.
I see.
Crazy woman.
Yes, I know. I am very quick.
Alright, anyways.
But you know where I get that crazy from? You.
We're gonna get these cookies here baked, and then I can bake them up in the morning.
Mom, can I do too?
Not right now. I think I'm gonna try and make some banana chocolate chip cookies. Maybe Josina can help me mix those up when we get these in the oven.
Look, it says safe to eat raw.
We're not eating them.
Darn it. Come on.
Anybody else ever get things that are for a bake sale and their family is not real happy about not eating it? Leave it.
Touch it for dirty, contaminated hands. Eat it.
Put this in the oven. Make yourself useful. Thank
How
you.
long?
I don't know.
Okay, well,
I guess
10 to
Paul.
14 minutes. Hey,
okay,
get your
so-
butt off the counter.
10 minutes.
10 minutes. 10 minutes.
Oh,
Bottom
man.
right?
Huh?
Bottom right.
Perfect.
Hot, hot, hot. That's too hot.
Don't touch the candle. Did you touch it?
No.
Well, don't touch it, Goofy.
It's in the oven. That's too hot.
Oh, the oven's too hot?
I'd say so.
You gotta be careful around it.
Mm-hmm.
And you gotta be careful around the candle.
Mm-hmm.
Do you know what you could go get and do while I put these cookies on a pan?
What is it?
Your advent calendars! You wanna do those?
Okay, we'll be right back.
Oh, goodness, goodness, goodness.
Let's go with
They
it.
sure have been enjoying the action. You guys gonna bring them here and do it at the camera? Don't forget your glue. Or are you just gonna glue it in the morning?
I do it in the morning.
Okay.
I need a picture frame because obviously I am the important.
Where's yours?
Go get it.
And the church one, where's that one? Maybe Esmaye, can you help out? Thanks. That one's yours?
This one.
Okay, careful with the candle. Okay, what day is it? 7?
7 days.
Okay. Number 7 says, when what to my wandering eye should appear but a miniature sleigh and 8 tiny reindeer. With the little old driver so lively and quick, I knew in a moment it must be Saint Nick.
A little town named
Nazareth, yes. Okay, and number 7 on here says, the angel said Mary will have the baby Jesus. So, there was a little town called Nazareth. A young woman named Mary lived there. She was engaged to Joseph the carpenter. Where's number 4? Where's number 4? There he is. An angel brought Mary good news. You will have a baby, the angel said. Ta-da. Joseph saw an angel in a dream. The angel said Mary will have the baby Jesus. Is baby Jesus coming? What is Christmas? Oh, his birthday?
I'm not touching
Back
it.
off, you vulture.
Can I lay them on the cookie sheet?
Well, it's a little late now.
No, it's not.
You can do the next batch, I guess. Are you okay?
I'm still sick though, huh?
And then can I do the
I'm doing it.
next batch?
I'm doing it, but you can help me with it.
Okay. Can I do this one next?
That's so nice.
Alright, well, we're going to do these cookies. It's way later than we should be doing them, but Esme and I geeked out on some Instagram page. Stop being weird. What are you doing? Anyways, we geeked out on some Instagram page. I don't know if they can hear any of this. I didn't realize the dishwasher was running back there. Sorry, y'all. Sorry. Such is life. Anyways, Esme and I geeked out on Instagram, so we're doing this later than we should be. But, you know, such is life. Esme was dreaming of her perfect book life, so
That would make my seal.
it was your shield.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, anyhow, we're just going to do these cookies. Stop! Leave them alone. I'm going to get rolls. Okay, leave it alone, please. I'm going to get rolls in the pans and in the fridge.
go potty.
So, okay. You want to tell them bye? Because we'll probably be done when you get back.
Bye.
So, alright, anyways, we're going to get these cookies done. I'm going to get those done. Tomorrow we got a bake sale and you got to serve soup, right? Soup, yeah.
Soup today.
Huh?
So yeah, it's a soup today.
I'm back.
You're back? She made it. Alright, did you wash your hands? Your nasty little hands? Toddlers. Alright. Anyways, we're gonna let you go. Not much happening today. Mommy was pretty lazy all day, but it's been a long week, so I was ready for a lazy day. We're gonna get these done. Tomorrow we got that to do, so yeah. Hopefully we get a vlog up tomorrow. If we don't have a vlog, it got going. It was way late by the time we got home.
Esme.
What?
Esme.
I'm not sure what time we'll be home, so yeah. It could be late, could be earlier.
Pushing me off.
Alright, before y'all knock my candle down acting like fools or get your hair in it. Alright, anyways,
Hey,
this circus is saying goodbye, so goodbye from my circus. Bye!
Goodbye.
And now I can just cook cookies. And now I can cook cookies.
They got the